Former First Lady Kim Keon-hee appeared as a witness in the trial over alleged illegal opinion polls involving former President Yoon Suk Yeol. This was their first face-to-face encounter since Yoon's re-detention last year, but Kim refused to answer key questions during her testimony.
A trial was held on the allegation that former President Yoon Suk Yeol and political broker Myung Tae-gyun were involved in illegal opinion polls. Yoon's wife, Kim Keon-hee, appeared at the courtroom as a witness. This was their first encounter in or out of court since they were detained last year. The bench didn't allow photographing in the courtroom, so the shots of the couple each sitting as the defendant and as a witness were not released. Yoon gazed at his wife with a smile on his face while she testified and nodded at her when she left the courtroom. Yoon is accused of conspiring with his wife to receive public opinion polls worth 270 million won for free from Myung Tae-gyun. Charged with the same crime, Kim was tried earlier and was found not guilty in the first trial. When asked if she was the spouse of defendant Yoon Suk Yeol, Kim in the witness seat answered correct. But when the special counsel team asked whether she had paid anything in return for several opinion polls and whether Myung had asked her to nominate Kim Young-sun, she refused to answer. Earlier, Kim had appeared as a witness in the trial for former Justice Minister Park Sung-jae and said that Yoon had not told her about martial law in advance.
윤석열 전 대통령이 증인께 비상계엄 선포에 대해서 말한 적이 있습니까?
없습니다.
전후로 다 없습니까?
전혀 없습니다.
The sentencing on Kim Keon-hee's appeal on the allegation of receiving free opinion polls will take place on April 28th, while that for her husband will be held sometime in June.